are going to go to Goodwill to see if I can find any film cameras. Do you think we'll find one, Jonathan? He doesn't like when I vlog. John found a nerd device.
It's like $10, right? But they'll have a hard drive in it, like a terabyte.
What is it?
Just a DVD recorder and player.
Anything camera would be over here, but it's not. Where would camera stuff be? Wouldn't it be like over here? Made it to location number 2 because the first one sucked. So this is a really big thrift store. This place is huge. It's a cassette recorder. We're getting a plate. It's $3. It's the fountain where John's parents got engaged.
I've been learning how to play for about
I keep getting Mario.
What is this? Oh, it's your
max acceleration.
We're getting Chipotle. I was not able to find a film camera.
What's up, guys?
But there was so much like junk there. There were so many things in their electronics department, and it literally felt like walking into the 2000s or so, the early 2000s. Like it was all old and junk that didn't work. But now we get Chipotle. And then we're gonna go to Kohl's and Target and Big Lots because we have things to get. And maybe we do Trader Joe's. We can do Trader Joe's tomorrow if you want, but we can do it today.
Oh, he's recording me singing. That's fine. Yes, no, my name is on there.
It's a baby. It just says John G.
Oh.
This is heavy. Chimps. So. Get my poison girl.
Put it on the table.
Oh,
The bottom wasn't
wasted it.
tighter lid, actually.
Yeah. We eat food. She's beautiful. That is huge. Take a big bite.